Mike, you head up the operations here at Bromford Industries. Now, massive investment over the last 6 years, £12 million, but what we're looking at here are these fantastic Okuma MU 6300 machines. Now, you've got 9 of them. Could you tell me why you've actually chosen the Okumas and where the journey began?
Yeah, we chose the Okuma machines, particularly the MUs, for their turn mill capability, you know, the 5-axis, because of the parts we're manufacturing. But a really important thing to us was the perceived quality of Okuma, the machines, and you know, the time that we're going to be using the machines and the volume that's going to be going through them. That quality was really important to make sure we minimise downtime.
Now, I know some aerospace programs, they do dictate what machines that you need to use for their components. The Okumas, were they specified by your customers?
No, it's particularly our choice to go out and work with NCMT and Okuma. We weren't constrained by any of our OEMs at all.
Now, when you look at the company, it's continually investing, as I understand. Now, the next journey, will that be with NCMT and the Okuma brands?
Yes, it will, yeah. We've got an FMS currently on order with NCMT and Okuma. 3 additional Okuma machines coming in 2019 with that FMS bolted on to help us improve our efficiency and output.
And with that in mind, does that give you an offer, extra capacity to other aerospace or the aerospace sector in general?
Yes, it does, yeah. We're going to have additional capacity later this year once all that equipment is installed.
And when you look at the investment that you've had here with the Okumas, tell us, you know, maybe 2 or 3 things that really sort of stick out why these machines are at the top of their game.
I mean, in particular, the capability of the machines, also the support that we get from NCMT. All machines are in a maintenance contract, and that support that we get is invaluable because we're 24/7, and we can't have any of that downtime.
And if you didn't invest in this type of machines, would you be competitive in the marketplace?
It'd be a lot more difficult, you know, with these machines and the capability it offers us, you know, minimised setup times, twin pallets, minimised downtime. I think it would have been difficult for us to compete.
Now, as I understand in the company, it's not just about engine parts, but also landing gear and also from gas turbines as well.
Yeah, so in terms of the strategy of the group, we've got aero engine components here and across the group, particularly landing gear for our Makino machines as well. But we've also got aero fabrications at one of our UK manufacturing sites.
And when you're looking at offering extra capacity to the marketplace, would that be across all 3 disciplines?
Yes, it would, yeah. We're looking to break into the aero fabrications market at our Ulster facility, and that's one of our growth strategies for the business.
And I suppose when you look at some of the stats from Airbus and Boeing with the backlog of over 10,000 planes plus,
yeah.
You know, do you see the aerospace future very bright regardless of what's going to be happening from a political point of view?
Yeah, I mean, the actual growth in the industry is unprecedented, and in particular certain engine programs and certain aircraft models, the growth is, you know, fantastic, and I don't see that changing in the near future.
Certainly a great UK success story. Aerospace is a very, very bright sector to be in. It's been great talking to you today. Thanks very much, Mike.
Thank you.